Good
So
afternoon po, sir.
yes, po, we are now 12 all in all. So let's begin our lesson with a quiz. So as you could still remember in our day number 1, that was Tuesday, we have learned how to use the laws of the exponents. So on this day, we will have a quiz on that. But in particular, it will focus only on the division part, or the law number 4, I think. So as a review, we have the following example: m raised to the fifth power divided by m cubed. So in this case, when we multiply, we usually add the exponents, right? But in this case, we divide, therefore we subtract the exponents. So in this case, the base is the same with the base m, or variable m. We could say that m here should be on our base, and the exponent 5 will be subtracted to the exponent of the denominator, which is 3. So 5 minus 3, that is m squared. So therefore, this is now our answer. Okay, tama po. Hit m squared. So what will happen? Okay, what will happen if there are numerical coefficients here? For example, 25 and 5. Of course, the same pa din po. M squared pa din yung sagot. Pero meron lang difference, ay meron lang pagkakaiba. Ito, yung 25 at saka 5, kailangan mo siyang i-divide. And there are 5 in 25, therefore 5m squared is our answer. Okay, that's right. No, not 30. But no, we are not going to add this one, but we are going to divide. For example, 25 divided by 5. And that is equivalent to 5. So this is an example of the law number 4. Well, class, I'll just find my eraser. Zain, nakita mo eraser ko, yung tapo. Okay, next. What about this one? If we have this example of um, 9x cubed divided by 3x raised to the power of 6. So in this case, look at the exponent of the denominator and the numerator. This is 3 and 6. And 6 is larger than 3. If we are going to subtract, divide mo natin, 9 divided by 3, that is 3. And if we are going to subtract 3 minus 6, look at the answer. So we have 3x, 3 minus 6. If meron kang pambayad na 3 pesos pero ang utang mo 6, therefore may kulang ka pa na 3. And kulang is negative. Therefore, the answer here is negative 3. Take note of that. Kapag mas malaki po yung exponent sa baba compared to the numerator, therefore the exponent should be negative. Okay? Next. Another example. What if there are two letters or two variables included? We have p squared, p cubed na lang, q squared, and r. Divided by p fourth, q, and r. Okay, paano natin yan siya i-divide? Look at this one. P cubed, P4. Sino mas malaki? Si P4, di ba? So, dyan yung sagot. 4 minus 3, that is 1, or invisible 1. Nakuha. Sa baba siya. Next, Q squared, Q. Sino mas malaki? Si squared or si invisible 1? Squared. So, that is Q sa taas. Kung sino yung mas malaki yun, dun ilagay ang sagot. And 2 minus 1, that is 1, invisible 1. Next, R divided by R. So, tingnan nyo dito, 1 dito, 1 minus 1 magiging 0. Kapag maging 0 na siya, yun na lang po. PQ na lang. Kasi R raised to 0 is equivalent to 1. So, wala na siya. Parang invisible man ang 1, di ba? So, yan na yun siya. Okay? So, let's have now the activity. So, kindly click the link on the chat box as our quiz number 11. That is 20 over 20, 4 points for the correct one, 2 points for the incorrect one. Okay, start answering now. So that is only for 7 minutes. Pagdating ng 2 o'clock and 10 minutes, we will end. It's already 2 o'clock and 3 minutes. So may nakatapos na po. So how much is your score if you're done? Again, 4 points ang correct, 2 points ang mali. Magkano ang yung score? Ano pala dapat? What is your score rather? It's not how much, but what is your score? Four points ang tama po. Okay, ang iba po nagmadali kaya medyo mababa ang scores.
Dili po, sir. 4 points ang tama po, sir. Isa ka ano po, sir?
4 points ang tama, 2 points naman po ang mali.
Sir, isa lang din akong mali, sir. Sa number 2.
Okay po. Okay, kung meron na kayong score, send us your score in our in our Facebook page para meron na tayong i-record later on. Again, hindi ko pa nare-record yung iba yung pinasa sa akin dahil nga sobrang busy. Nag-submit kasi kami ng grado at saka nagkuha ng module ng sort. Kaya medyo mahirap pa chika na yung mga activities. Okay, may sumasagot pa ba? Okay, very good, 18. That's far high enough. Okay, I think wala nang sumasagot. Wala naman nag-chat. Wala na ba? Wala nang sumasagot? Okay, last 1 minute. It's already 2:09. Please send us your scores at www.facebook.com/humang2021. Okay, let's proceed now to the lesson that we have. Today, we will be learning division of the polynomials. Last meeting, we had discussed the multiplication of polynomials, wherein we have learned the following things. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng exponent, i-add lang natin yung exponents nila. Okay. Then, kapag nag-divide tayo ng exponents, isa-subtract naman natin yung exponents nila. Yes po, quiz number 11 po, Jerish. Okay, we are going to divide now the following things. For example, we have 12 x raised to the power of 4 minus 16x cubed plus 8x squared divided by 4x squared. Okay, class, can you hear me? I think there is a problem with the internet.
Yes po.
Ang presentation ko, nakikita nyo, yung sinulat ko?
Opo, sir.
Okay. Sige po. So, in this case, paano natin to siya isosolve? Okay. Isa-isahin natin. Itong 4x squared, i-divide natin dito sa unang term, sa second na term, at saka sa third na term. Ganun lang po ang pag-divide niyan. So, 12 divided by 4, unahin natin yung number. 12 divided by 4, that's 3. Tama? x4, x squared. Yung base is x. I-minus natin yung exponent. 4 minus 2, magiging 2 na yan siya. Next, kapag nag-divide po kayo ng parehong numbers or parehong sign, ang sagot, positive. Like this, positive divided by positive, the answer is positive. Negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. Pero pag magkaiba naman, negative divided by positive or positive divided by negative, ang sagot naman po dyan is negative. Para nang the-same lang siya sa multiplication. Pag magkaiba, negative. Pero pag pareho, positive ang sagot. So we now have this 16 and divided by 4, that is 4. Kaso lang negative, positive. So negative dito. X cubed, x squared. Ang base natin is x. 3 minus 2, that is invisible 1. Pwede nang burahin, pwedeng isulat. Next, 8 divided by 4, that is 2. X squared, x squared. Yung base natin is x. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Kapag 0 na po yung exponent, huwag nyo na isulat. Ganyan na lang siya. 2 na lang siya automatic. Kasi when you say x raised to 0, that is equivalent to 1. So kung 1 times 2, 2 pa rin ang sagot. So this is now the final answer. And if you are going to look at on the PowerPoint presentation, yan po yung pinaka-detailed niya na pagsagot. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng detailed, yan po yung kukopyahin nyo. Pero pag gusto niyo naman shortcut, you may copy this on the whiteboard. Okay, please copy, then type down if you're done. May 20s mo. Ikaw na rin. Tulong ka na ng gamit, kulang. Ay, Char. Minsan ka lang matulog. Minsan? Araw-araw. Minsan sa isang araw. Oh. Minsan sa isang araw. Okay, class, naghang ang aking tablet. Nawala kayo lahat, promise. Sa laptop ko, dito kayo, pero sa tablet ko, nawala kayo lahat. Sana ba kayo wait lang, ha? Are you all done? Just type done if you're done. Hi, may hapon.
Wala nakasulat, sir.
Yes po. Please copy lang po. What is that? Is that ours?
Ay, Matt. Punta ko sa Matt.
No, na-stapler.
Ikaw na lang ako yan. Isda ko lang, eh. Ito na lang sa stapler na nila doon. Ha? Saan? Ay, isip ka na nila?
Sabihin ko man sila na kulang yung Matt.
Pagka, huwag ako na po mo. Ayan lang, okay. Mamata na mag-adjust eh, no? Pwede na mag-adjust.
Paano yung nalaman? Yan. Okay, I think everybody is done. So, try nyo naman ito. Kayo naman. So, let's have this What if kayo ang mag-solve nito? Okay, 8a cubed plus 14k squared minus 28k plus 32. Ay class 32. Ay, sulat ko na lang dito, class. Nagmali yan siya. Na-erase. Nag-edit kasi ako kanina. Ulit, ito na siya, class. 8k cubed plus 14k squared minus 28k4 plus 32k. Okay? Yan po siya divided by 2k. Okay, start now. Na-erase lang yung isulat plus na nag-edit kasi ako kanina. Yes po, sa kabila, pinakadulo. Poor, naghang laptop. Muang lagi niya eh. Ano yung Mi 5? ME4 and Mi 5. Ano yan? Mi 2. Okay, please post your answer. Catiter, where the genius belongs. Okay, please post your answer. Dari mag-klase ko, kung di sila kompleto naman sa duwa. 16 yun na sila always. Hindi makita? Ah, kita na? Hindi ko kasi rin makita ito class kasi nawala talaga yung tablet. Ay, nawala ang tablet. Nawala ang display ng tablet. Clear na ba, class? Ay, nagkuha lang siya. Kuan. Si Zayn di ay.
Hi, Zayn.
Si Barbie.
Barbie? Barbie Zayn?
Si Rhea, tingalan siya. Sino si Barbie?
Bakit ko lang alala ng Barbie?
Sa cellphone.
Ha?
Sa cellphone, may pangalan si Barbie.
Kung di pa sinabi ko, hindi ko lang humihin next year. Sikat na. Isipin mo lang yung sikat. Kasi di ba ano yung gusto natin?
Uy, nagka-klase ko, gasyong. Nagka-klase.
Ay, sorry. Makamit ka lang.
Okay, class. Asan na tayo? Hindi ko talaga, wait lang ha. I'm still struggling with my lap tablet. Sir, pwede pakisulat ng question? Okay, saglit lang talaga kay ang tablet is not functioning well, wherein the question is written.
Ay, siya pa direct? Same lang sila? Direct ka na sila? Wala ka dito ba? Wala, kasama mo yun.
Give me 2 minutes, class.
Wala ko, ma'am siya. Ano ba na sa mamigay? Oo. Nagtatrabaho ko siya doon. Nagtagulo-gulo doon. Malaki, tama talaga ha? Nagtagulo kasi mga may-ari yun. Tapos, yung mga different, di ba marami mo sila may-ari no? Pili ko yung sinabi ni Dex, hati anyo na naglakas yung mamigay. Kasi nag-alis siya. Parang ang may-ari ng pizza, iba sa may-ari ng mga stick-stick, tama?
Iba lahat.
Iba lagi. So si pizza nag-separate, nag-create siya doon sa may
Taon.
uptown, yung bago ngayon.
District Allen.
O, lagi. Tapos, si steak, same pa rin. Doon
Sige
sila.
pa rin, mami.
Pero, hindi na maganda ang kanilang, marami ng kanilang, naman ng problema sila, wala sila lagi. Wow, parang, asya wala ang nag-ano doon. Baka naman sa sarili mo at susunod. O, alam niyo ang recipe. Pero, pizza nila, no? Promise. Paborito.
Andyan na ba, class?
Wala pa din po, sir.
I-cancel ko muna yung yung Google Meet natin. Balik lang ako, mag-post na ako ng bagong Meet. Okay. After 5 minutes, mag-send ako ng bagong.
Ayaw, palit ko.
Andiyan paliton.
Wala. Saan na?
Yamit ikaw to sa ay.
Yamit sa mas. Andar na sila.
Yamit ikaw to sa ay. Bitcha.
Okay, we're back. So kindly look at the whiteboard. And as you could see, the given is 8k cubed plus 14k squared minus 28k4 plus 32k divided by 2k. So I would like you to divide that one. That is our given for this first example. Okay, type done if you're done, or you may type your answer directly. Okay, kung may sagot na po, please post your answer. We have Fiel. Let me see the answer. 4k squared plus 7k minus 14k cubed plus 16. The others, please, still waiting for your answer. From Brian, 4k squared plus 7k minus 14k plus 16. Okay, everybody, please participate so that I will know if I will proceed or not. 4k squared plus 7k minus 14k cubed plus 16. 14k cubed plus 16. 14k cubed plus 16, 14k cubed plus 16. Okay, almost the same ang answer, maliban lang sa isa, wala siyang cube. So let's reveal The answer now. So we have 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Then k cubed, k invisible 1, so k is our base. 3 minus invisible 1, that is 2. Then plus, bakit plus? Kasi po plus and plus, they are the same. They have the same signs, therefore positive ang gagamitin. Next, 14 divided by 2, that is 7 or 7. Then k squared minus invisible k1. Therefore, we have k only. So tama po kayo, k raised to 1, okay lang po. Pwede pong lagyan ng k raised to 1 or pwedeng invisible 1 na lang po. Next, 28 divided by 2, that is 14. But take note, the sign here is negative, but on the denominator, that is positive. Magkaiba po sila ng signs, therefore negative po yung gagamitin. Next, k4 minus k invisible 1, that we have k cubed. And next, 32k, 32 divided by 2, that is 16. K divided by k, that is k raised to 0. So therefore, 16 na lang po ang kopyahin. So we now have the answer. So very good, marami pong nakatama. Okay, what will happen if itong k dito alisin ko? Ano ngayon ang sagot? The same din ba? Can we divide 32 and 2k? Yes or no? Madi-divide nga ba natin? Yes, yes, yes. From Keith, Faith, Cedric, Arc Louis. So madi-divide nga ba natin? Yes, madi-divide po. 32 divided by 2, that is 16. Pero, nasa baba yung k. Nasa baba. Kapag nasa baba ang k gani, or nasa baba yung variable, magiging negative 1 siya, ang exponent. Okay? Tulad ng nasa sample na sinulat ko, naging negative 1 siya. Kasi nga po, nasa denominator ang k. Okay, what if naghang ang yung laptop? Okay, yan na, nawala. Pinakita nyo na ba? Ayun. Appear na. So, yan na po yung sagot. So, what if? Another what if? Pwede din bang ganito ang sagot ko? Instead, ayoko mag-negative 1. Kasi sabi po sa definition ng polynomial, kailangan mo lang negative 1 na exponent. So, sundin daw natin yun. Ito ang sasagot ko, 32 over 2k. Pwede rin ba ganyan? Yes po, pwede po ang ganito. And you call this one as remainder. Kung if you could not divide something from given, therefore, remainder siya. Kaya remainder ang tawag dito. Okay? Which one is better? The first solving or the second solving? Kung kayo ang sasagutin, kung kayo ang sasagot pala, anong pipiliin nyo? Yung first or second? Second daw po. So, kung ako naman ang tatanungin, second din po ang pipiliin ko. Kasi nga po, kung basihan natin ang definition, sabi sa definition, pag polynomial daw po, walang negative na exponent. So, susundin natin itong second na solution. So, yun lang po. Tapos, what if may nagtanong sa inyo, mali ba yung first solution? Tama din po yun. Pero ang tawag doon sa kanya is na belong na siya sa abstract mathematics. Tama siya kung abstract. Pero kung algebra lang, hindi siya tama. Okay? Next. We now have a more difficult one. Example. This one. For letter B, we have polynomial by a polynomial with more than one term. In this case, as you could see, ang process niya para kang nag-divide ng tulad nung nag-divide ka nung tulad ito, 38 divided by 2, parang ganyan. Ganyan ang image niya. So, pero nilagyan lang siya ng maraming variables at saka exponents. So, how do we divide that one? So, x minus 3, then we are going to divide it by x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. Okay, ganito lang po yan pag-divide. Madali lang po yan. So, x divided by x cubed. So, again, pag mag-divide ka, isasubtract mo lang. So yung 3 dito, subtract mo sa invisible 1, magiging x squared. Okay, okay? Next, pag ito naman, i-multiply mo dito sa dalawa. Okay, multiply natin x squared, x. Pag mag-multiply ka, di ba? I-add lang yung exponent. So x squared times x, invisible 1, magiging x cubed na siya. Tama? Next, dito naman tayo, 3 times x. Since wala siyang number dyan or wala siyang variable naman dito, kopyahin lang natin. So we have negative 3x squared. Saan to galing ang negative 3x squared? Ito ang negative 3, ito ang x squared. Di kopya lang. Okay, next. Isa-subtract natin. X cubed, that is 0. Next. Yung negative 6x squared, ito po yan. Minus 3x squared. Di ba pag sinabi ko sa inyo, kapag magkatabi yung dalawang minus, magiging plus na siya. Okay, sasubtract natin. Meron kang utang na 6, binayaran mo ng 3. Ilan na lang yung natira? 3 pa, di ba? Pero utang pa man din siya. So meron kang negative 3 and utang is negative 3. And ang apelyado niya or variable is x squared. So you write negative 3x squared. Okay, makahabol pa ba? Tingnan lang natin kung makahabol pa kayo. Okay, next. We bring down 11x. We focus now on this 2. So 3 divided by invisible 1. So that is negative 3. Ilang 1 ba meron sa 3? Di tatlo. Kaso lang negative, positive man siya. Magkaiba ng sign, din negative. Next. Ito naman, x squared. Isa-subtract, di ba natin pag mag-divide? X squared minus x invisible 1. So magiging x na lang siya. Okay, next. Ang 3x naman ngayon, imumultiply naman natin dito sa dawala. So dalawa. 3x times x, we have negative 3x squared. Tapos itong isa, 3 times 3, that is 9. Negative times negative, that is positive. Then the variable is x. Okay, hindi na magkasya sa ating screen. So, isa-subtract natin. Ito siya magiging 0. 11 minus 9, that is 2. 2x. Okay, hindi na talaga magkasya. Kindly look at the itong PowerPoint presentation na lang. Andyan yung solving. Okay, dito na tayo banda. Dito na tayo. Sa 2x. So, saan to galing ang minus 6? I-bring down lang yan. Kaya siya naging minus 6. Kita nyo? Na-bring down na siya. Ito naman, itong 2x, i-divide natin dito sa x. So, since wala siyang number ang kay x, or meron siyang number dyan, pero invisible 1, 1 divided by 2, that is 2 pa rin. Ito na yun siya. Okay? Next, 2 times x minus 3, ito na yung 2x minus 6. And isa-subtract natin, the answer is 0. Okay. Easy? Easy, no? No. Daw mabuwak na yung ulo. Okay, sige lang. Don't worry. This lesson is not really part of your grade 7 mathematics. It is grade 8 mathematics. Ituro ko lang siya for the reason that pagdating nyo ng grade 8, you have the background of how to solve that one. Para pag tinanong kayo ng teacher nyo about this, you will just say, alam ko yan. Natutunan namin yan dati pa. Nakalimot ang grade ko. Something like that. So, yun po yung solving process niyan kapag mag-divide ka ng polynomial binomial. Okay? Sa inyong lesson talaga, wala siya nakasali, pero sinali ko na lang siya. Balik tayo sa example yung kanina yun, sa part A. So, burahin ko na ha. Pwede nyo man kopyahin yung nasa white screen. Okay, you may copy that one. Then type done if you're done. So, okay, let's try a drill. Itong drill natin, hindi natin gagamitan ng games. simple solving tayo dito. So we have 20m raised to the power of 5 plus 15m cubed plus 3m divided by m. Okay, please answer this one. Ito yung first part ha, yung part A. Kasi itong solving na may division, part B na to siya. Sige daw, you try this. 100 lang o mas color black. Sa 5th March banda sa labas. May 7-Eleven doon banda. Ay, labangan pala. Nag-meet up lang pala sila. Halo. Dito ka, Pikas.
What can I do?
Kumusta ang ilong? Kumusta ang ilong?
Ay, siya ka na. Oh, nawala na ako ulit.
So we have the answer from Kiel, 20m raised to the power of 4, 15m squared, then 3, then m. Okay, take note. Ang m raised to 1 at saka m raised to 1, pag 1 minus 1 magiging 0. Any number na maging 0, pwede nang wala na isulat. Or pwedeng 1, or pwedeng hindi na isulat. Okay, anong mangyayari kay 3m divided by m? Take note of that. Let's 3 daw, sir, sabi ni Kiel. So, plus 3, Urgel, 6m raised to 6. Paano niya naging 6? Paano niya naging 6? Mali ko ata pagka-divide mo, Keith. Cherish, more Buchanan squared plus 3. Okay, let's reveal the answer. So, we have 20 divided by m. So, invisible 1. So, 20 lang, kopyahin. Next, m raised to the power of 5, then m raised to 1. Subtract lang 5 minus 1, that is 4. 15, kopyahin lang din. M cubed minus m1, that is m squared. 3, kopyahin lang din. M raised to 1 minus m raised to 1, magiging 0 na siya. Kapag 0 na siya, pwede nang hindi isulat. So that is now the answer. 20m raised to the power of 4 plus 15m squared plus 3. Okay, that's good. My brain is normal. Normal pa yan, actually. Okay. Let's end our lesson on this on this example. So, bakit ko kailangan i-end? Kasi parang meron kaya kayong classes sa next period ninyo. That's online class also. So, take a rest. Thank you for participation and salamat kahit di natin kailangan mag-online, nagpumasok pa rin kayo. So, goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Bye, sir.
Bye po, sir.
Keith, may tanong po siya. Ano po, Keith? Okay. Sige po, bye.
Bye po, sir.
Bye po, sir.
Sige po.